We are doing the Cascade Springs trailhead from Soldier Hollow, which it said it was closed, but the gate was open, so we're considering that a win. Another osprey nest. We found this creature. He won't turn around. What are you? So it's Little Deer Creek Campground, Cummings Parkway, which is what we're on right now. This place has been here a long time.
Campground, and there's nobody out here.
Look at that pretty mountain.
It's great.
Beautiful.
Is it aspen or birch? I don't know. It's very pretty.
The rain is starting.
Yeah, it's pretty
The
though.
rain is starting. Jake.
Oh, holy shit. That's awesome. Is that an elk?
It's
I
huge.
think that's an elk
It's
shed.
huge.
That's awesome.
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Perfect.
It's perfect. We should look for the other one.
That is sick.
Aren't we so happy that we've already completed our shed certification course? Close by, we found some poopy. Poopy.
It's pretty sick. It's beautiful out here.
Jake, that's good wood.
Good wood.
Jake, that's good wood.
We're going.
We gotta go look for the wood. He said, you can't have my wood.
I spy with my little eye.
Friends! Friends! Headed back down the mountain.
Stormy, but
Looking rough.
it's beautiful.
It's a beautiful day.
Cascade Springs.
Cascade Springs. I'll eat my hat if I ever see an otter on a deer, or a chipmunk on a badger, or a stellar jay on a moose. Well, that's actually more plausible, I think. But the red-tailed hawk on his rump,
No,
that's
not
unlikely.
gonna happen.
We're gonna do this walk. We are here where the yellow bird is.
It tells us to enjoy a pleasant walk.
You know it's gonna suck? Coming back up this. Who lives here? I've never seen a river otter in the Uinta Cache National Forest.
Never.
I've also never seen a brown trout, but that could just be my
Lack of fishing.
lack of fishing
prowess.
luck. Some ducks. They're paired up. Ducks in the rain. So ominous. Okay, we are on the trail. We didn't mean to be on a trail.
we
ended up on a trail.
But the cool thing about the ZR2 Blazer, it gets things done.
This is aggressive. I'm a little anxious. Hope it's okay.
We've done worse, babe.
Yeah, that doesn't mean we should have. Water. So in like 0.3 miles, we should be reaching our left-hand turn. There was a sign back there that said Forest Route 475 ends, and the road that the Google Maps is saying that we should take doesn't exist.
If it was a one-way road or one-way trip, then we'll just turn back around. It's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
It's not a big
deal.
It's not a big deal.
Watch your gas tank. Watch it be a big deal.
Babe, I have plenty of gas.
Wait a minute. Is this the turn?
Here's the left.
Okay. You can call me whatever you want. I'm making a decision. We are turning around.
Executive decision.
This was a cool trail.
It was. Yeah.
I feel like everything we've done up till this point is familiar and doable in this vehicle. I'm just looking at the maps. They don't exist. This road does not exist.
The trail.
And the road it says it eventually does link up to is for bikes only. We are not a bike. We are a car. We're not even an ATV. We're a car.
Do not call my Blazer a car. A ZR2 Blazer is not a car. It is a tool. It is a machine. It is a thing of beauty.
It's registered as a what?
SUV. Or some shit. Somebody's exaggerating.
Look at this pretty field. I want to frolic. There.
If it wasn't raining,
Oh,
if I wasn't still in my pajamas, maybe I'd go frolic. Back on solid
the
ground.
scenic byway.
Audrey's no longer freaking out.
Jake, would you be a deer and get the little thing of butter and the half and half for me?
I'll be a deer, but I ain't getting shit. Ooh,
Babe, what was the best part about today?
elk antler. Just finding a random gigantic elk antler is pretty sweet.
My favorite part of today was also the elk antler, for obvious reasons. It felt like a gift. It felt like a gift from the nature. Like nature said, thanks for visiting. Thanks for coming out and seeing us. Here's a present. You know?
Yep.